How to fade objects in sequencer in Unreal Engine 5. And I play this animation. You can see the right characters is fade effect. Yeah. Let's start it. And first, I will select this character and I will find this material. I open it. And this material is a simple material. And the next thing, I will select this one. I will change this blend mode to masked. And I will add the dither temporal and will connect to opacity mask. Hold down S and left click to create this parameter, and I change the name, and I will change this value to 1. Apply and save it. And I close this one, and I will drag this character into the sequencer. And next, I will add the animation. The next thing, I will click here and add the skeleton mesh component and select this one. And here, I will click here and select opacity. And I will adjust to here. And I will change this value. And yeah, we have this effect now. Also, I can make another effect and maybe adjust to here. And I just do here. And I will create another keyframe. And I will change this value. Play it. And yeah, you can see we have a different effect now. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.